Welcome to the MadWhack tour. MadWhack is the data entry software that is part of PACE. Today we're going to introduce you to MadWhack and show you some of the screens you will be using. Here is the sign-on screen for MadWhack. You should have received the link to access the screen and a username and password from your supervisor. If it's the first time that you're signing in, you may be prompted to reset your passcode. We are first brought to the batch view screen. This is where you can see all batches in process for a specific project. Let's search for the company Town of Make Believe, the Municipal Records Project. We only want to see open batches right now. If you have something automatically importing, you might like to set your screen to automatically refresh. You can select how often from this drop-down menu. This is so you can see immediately when new files come in. For now, we can just leave it set to none. Here is the list of all the batches currently being processed. The most recent batch to be imported is at the top of the list. That is batch number 670. The columns show how many containers and packages are in the batch, as well as the percentage complete of the batch. Next, we have the SME count column. SME, or SME, stands for Subject Matter Expert. MadWhack has a SME queue where documents are sent to be reviewed by a supervisor. We will talk more about that later. Each task that precedes data entry has its own column and shows the date and time of completion. This particular batch has not gone through the paper prep, scan, scan QC, or import step. Notice the bottom half of the screen that we have column headings, but no grid. The grids will show when the batch is ready for data entry tasks. Let's click on the next batch in the list, 669, to see how things look when it is ready for data entry. All the tasks in the top section are completed, which reveals a grid in the lower half of the screen. You can now see how many documents and pages are in a package. The data entry tasks are ready to be performed in order from left to right.